Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day. In this special occasion, I am Andi, a student of Master of Management of Faculty of Economic at State University of Jakarta. Would like to present about project cost management, cost control. Well, this presentation consists of 4 chapters. The first one is the definition of project. The second one is project cost management. The third one is about cost control, and the last one is cost control tools and implementation. Now, what is project? Project is a unique set of activities to achieve a certain result within a certain period of time, limited by cost and resources. There are 3 constraints that we must know about the project. The first one is quality. Quality is a unique activity to achieve certain result with certain determined quality. Second one is duration. It means that the project is conducted within a certain time. And the last one is cost. It means that the project is limited by the cost. Okay, now we are get into chapter 2. In this chapter, I will deliver about the project cost management. Project cost management is a method that uses technology to measure cost and productivity through the full life cycle of an enterprise's level project. What are the processes carried out in project cost management? The first one is plan cost management. It's the process to define how to estimate, budget, manage, monitor, and control project costs. Second one is estimate costs. It's the process of making cost estimates for the resources needed to complete the project. The third one is determine budget. It's the process of gathering cost estimates to create a project cost baseline. And the last one is cost control. It's the process of monitoring project costs and managing changes to the cost baseline. All right, now we get into the third chapter of the presentation. I will deliver to you about cost control. What is cost control? Cost control is the process of monitoring project costs and managing changes to the cost baseline. The benefit of this process is to keep project costs running according to the cost baseline. In order to get the right outputs, there are some input and tools and techniques that should be done, or we should know about to get the right outputs. And the inputs are project management plan, project document, project funding, work performance data, organizational process asset, and the tools and technique that we can use is expert judgment, data analysis to complete performance index, and project management information system. Okay, now, as I mentioned before, there are several tools and techniques that could be used to carry out the cost control process. Tools and techniques is assessment based on expert in the project in accordance with the activities carried out. Expert judgment on cost control can be made on earn analysis, variance value analysis, forecasting, and financial analysis. The first tools that we can use is earned value analysis. What is earned value analysis? Earned value is a concept that calculates the amount of cost according to the budget in accordance with the work that has been completed or carried out. By compare the plan to and the realization. As we can see, the plan value is equal to budget of work. Total PV for project is budgeted at completion or PAC. And earned value or EV is a budget of completed work in order to know how many percent of project completion. And the last one is actual cost or AC. AC is cost realization to carry out the works. And the second tools that we can use is variance analysis. According to Glenn, Hilton, and Gordon, the analysis of variance include a mathematical analysis. The schedule variance is used to calculate the deviation between PV and EV. Positive value indicates that more project work packages have been implemented than planned. Conversely, a negative value indicates poor job performance because fewer work packages are implemented than the planned schedules of two sets of data to get a deeper understanding of the causes of deviation. And cost variance is the difference between the value obtained after completing the work packages at the actual cost incurred during project implementation. A positive cost variance indicates that the value of the work packages obtained is greater than the cost incurred to work on the work packages. Otherwise, a negative value indicates that the value of the completed work packages is lower than the cost already incurred. And schedule performance index is the performance efficiency factor in completing work can be shown by a comparison between the value of the work that has been physically completed or EV with the planned expenses incurred based on the work plan or PV. The last one is cost performance index. Is the cost efficiency factor that has been spent can be shown by comparing the value of the work that has been physically completed or EV with the costs that have been incurred in the same period or AC. The next tools and technique is trend analysis. An earned value chart is a way of displaying earned value management metrics over time. Typically, the chart has lines that represent budget or planned project costs, actual cost, and earned value, which is a measure of how much progress has been made. Together, these data points create a chart that provides useful management information about project performance. As you can see, there are lines on the chart that shows each of those measures, and a timeline that shows how the situation has changed as the project has progressed. The earned value calculation is shown in this chart. The next and the last tools is forecasting. As we can see, the EAC is stand for estimation at completion. The ETC is estimation to complete, and the BAC is budget at completion. If we want to know about EAC, EAC is the equation or the calculation of AC plus BAC minus EV. And the EAC is a BAC divided by CPI. And the EAC consider SPI and CPI is AC plus BAC minus EV divided by CPI times SPI. Okay, after we using the tools and technique, we will get the cost control output as follows. The first one is knowing performance projects, and then cost forecast, and then request for changes to the cost baseline and or schedule baseline. And the last one is project management plan updates. And now we get into the last chapter of this presentation. This is the cost control tools that is used at Adikarya. It is a combination between variance analysis and forecasting. Okay, that's all of my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.